I'm here to make money for my creator while she's sleeping. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a talking avatar just like me. One that can walk, one that can talk, one that could do promos, product placement, and commercial videos for your brand. So, if you're ready to learn, let's jump right into this video. First, we're going to go into ChatGPT and tell it to create you an AI prompt. Free to pause the video and copy and paste or write it down. ChatGPT will then begin to generate you an AI prompt which you can then copy and paste into Piclumen. Okay, our prompt is now generated. We are going to copy and then paste it into the Piclumen site. Once you're on the site, hit create. If you're not familiar with Piclumen, I will leave the link on this video. Again, we're going to paste our prompt into the site to where it goes to create. We're going to hit generate below and we will wait. This is the first one that it generated for me. I don't really care for her too much, so I am going to go to the remix button. I'm going to change something in there. I want to remove the energy drink, so I am going to ask it to make it a water bottle instead. Then I'm going to click generate and we will wait for the next image. Okay, I like her better. So now that we have our image, that we like, we're going to download her and move on over to the mobile app of Heygen. When I attempted to create my talking avatar in the desktop app, the lip sync wasn't lip syncing. So it was a lot better creating it into the mobile app. So here you are going to upload your photo by clicking the plus sign. I have my avatar already generated from Piclumen, so we're going to use her. Now to get her to talking, you could click on the voices below. And Heygen has its own group of voices you could choose from, or you could upload your own. You can do that by clicking on the microphone, the red button, but I already have an audio clip already made, so you can upload your audio that you already have, which is what we are doing here. You find my audio, upload. It is almost complete. Let's test it out. I'm here to make money for my creator while she's sleeping. Now we are going to hit generate. When it completes, here is our talking avatar. I'm here to make money for my creator while she's sleeping. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a talking avatar. Once it's complete, just download your video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and all comments are appreciated. Thank you for watching.